Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic permanent tissue from the chapter tissue. So I hope all of you understood my previous class. That's a plant tissue. The plant tissue mainly classified into two categories. The first one meristematic tissue and second one permanent tissue. So I am already explained to you what is meant by the importance of meristematic tissue and their details. Today I will give you the explanation about the permanent tissue and their details. Okay, first one, permanent tissue. Okay, how to form this tissue. So this means permanent tissue are formed by the continuous divisions of the meristematic tissue. So how to form this? The permanent tissue is formed by the continuous divisions of meristematic tissue. Okay, so very simple. So these newly formed cells, or newly formed cells, their nature, their structure is elongated shape and the mature and differentiated tissues. These are the differentiated tissues. That means simple tissue, complex tissue, like that, differentiated. So once the meristematic tissue is formed, then after this change into their shape, elongated, and that go into the mature, and these cells are categorized. That means differentiated. These tissues like simple tissue and complex tissue. So today I will give you explain about the differentiated cells and their nature, like that. Okay. So here, the next one. So once this formed, okay, the cells are formed. These are the lost their power of division. So this permanent tissue having no power to the continuous division. Okay. So this only present. It's only possible in the meristematic tissues only. So this one is also lost their power of divisions. Next one. So it's presenting. It's a formation. It's a bulk. Bulk means that's large number of cells formed in the plant body. Okay. So these cells dead or living. There's two types. Maybe dead, otherwise living. Okay. So these differentiated tissues, I am already explained to you. Differentiated tissue. The first one, simple tissue and complex tissue. So this simple tissue is classified into three types of cells. According to the structure, according to the functions, the simple tissue classified into three categories, three different cells. The first one parenchyma, second one parenchyma, and third one sclerenchyma. So these each cells having different functions. Let's see what is the function, what is the nature, what is the structure of these cells. Okay, the first one, parenchyma cell. So these parenchyma cells means present in almost all the regions of the plant. Almost all the regions of the plant, including the leaves, stem, fruit, flower, each and every part of the plant, the parenchyma cell is present. Okay, so these cells are similar structure and the function. Similar structure and the function. Okay, so and the second one, that the second structure, this is a thin walled and isodimetric. What is meant by isodimetric? That means all the cells having same structure. Okay, and same diameter. That is called isodimetric. See the cell structure. Okay, this is a parenchyma cell. Each cells have the same structure. Okay, and the same diameters. That is called isodimetric. The next one. So it is having a large vacuum. The parenchyma cells having the large vacuum. Okay, these are the basic structure of parenchyma cell. So what is the function of this one? So the parenchyma is help to photosynthesis process, and second one, it help to store the food. So these two main functions. The first one, store the food, and second one, synthesize the food. Means in the help of the photosynthesis. Okay. And the next one, collenchyma cell. Okay, the collenchyma cell means it is a living cell. Collenchyma cell is living cell. They usually elongated and thick at the corners. It's a elongated cells and thick in their corners. In the corners, the thick. Okay. Next one, the structure. This means structure means easy to identify. There is no intercellular space. Intercellular space. Okay. And next one, the functions of the collenchyma cell. It gives the mechanical support and elasticity to the part which it is formed. So its main function of the collenchyma, that means it is give the mechanical support and elasticity to the part of the part it is formed. Okay, mechanical and elasticity. So while any kind of force is applied on this plant, what happen? It is easy to elastic nature with the escape from this type of force. So that's a main function of collenchyma. The next one, it allows to easy bending. So this elastic nature is help to easy bending of the plant without breaking. And next one, sclerenchyma cell. Sclerenchyma cell. These are the dead cells. Sclerenchyma cells are dead cells. Devoid protoplasm. That means that cell having very little or no protoplasm. Okay. And the main function of the sclerenchyma, they give the mechanical strength and rigidity of the plant. It's the main function of the sclerenchyma. So I hope all of you understood today's topic. That means permanent tissue. The permanent tissue mainly classified into two types: simple tissue and complex tissue. So the simple tissue classified into three different cells. First one, parenchyma. Second one, collenchyma. Third one, sclerenchyma. These three cells having different functions followed by the plant for their better survive. So I am going to conclude this topic. I will give you the next topic, the complex tissue, in my next class. Thank you.